Greetings from Seaview. Here we are again with a gorgeous new collection of storybook for you. I'm going to start with the dust as we always do. Magic to all, best of luck, and just plain magic. That's all I can say. Just plain magic. Here it comes, right your way. There we go. Okay, now we can start. So, wow. Late to the ball, Cinderella's coach, magnetic a necklace with the necklace. Sometimes we don't do them with necklaces. First time we've ever done this piece in a magnetic enhancer.
Pretty amazing.
It's pretty amazing.
I think the entire story of Cinderella is on this one piece.
It is.
You could talk about this piece for a very, very long time. But it really is. It's just incredible. Can you see the coach back here, all hand enameled, and the little vines and the strawberries? I just need a tad to point. Look at the crown up at the top. How cute is that? That's probably the princess crown. Let's see now. We've got the hearts and the pumpkin. And look at the little mouse. Isn't he adorable? And the slipper. And, of course, bibbidi-bobbidi-boo. There's the magic wand. And look at the clock. It's 20 past 12, so she's already dropped her slipper, her beautiful little Pavé Crystal AB slipper. And these are the little hands of the clock. And another little mouse. And what's up here, Jenny?
I'm looking at the back, so I can't tell.
Okay. Everything's on there. I believe that's a cat even on there.
Okay. Kitty cat.
This is a 17-inch with a 3-inch extender, magnetic enhancer. Jenny, you want to show them how it works?
Beautiful chain. You know what? My fingers are cramping up.
Oh, dear.
What is going on there? You do it.
Don't like that. There, hear that click? There's your magnet, your magnetic enhancer. I know a lot of you collect them. And this one is pretty spectacular. I forgot to mention the two beautiful white... Oh, mine did too.
What's going on?
Oh, my gosh.
My fingers just went just like that.
That was very strange.
Wow.
Isn't that funny? You just passed that on to me.
Thank you. I didn't mean to.
That's okay.
Oh my gosh, it's so weird.
So there's the magnetic enhancer, and here is the beautiful necklace that comes with it, also a magnet. So
imagine for those of you who have collected the beads and the chains, you could
decide. Thank y'all.
Imagine putting that with your Crystal AB beads, or your purple beads,
beautiful.
or your orange beads, or your Halloween beads. I mean, you have such great collections, and all of our authorized resellers have the beads also. So beads, chains, pearls, all kinds of beautiful magnetic necklaces out there for you to mix and match and make your pieces just incredible. So that's the coach. Okay.
Love that piece.
We're going to move on to the next one will be the butterfly.
Butterfly, wow.
Yep, oh, sorry. Okay, so we haven't done the butterfly. You have it as a pin, maybe. Some of you have it as a pin, but certainly not as a magnetic enhancer, first time. So as you can see, this is the gold one. I have the silver one on. Multicolors, every color
rainbow
of the
butterfly.
rainbow.
This is a rainbow butterfly for
it
sure.
Certainly is.
Yep.
And actually we called it that, rainbow butterfly. And it's so bright. It's a real summer color, really summer colors. There's no dark antiquing on it. It's all really bright and shiny.
Light and airy.
Light and airy. So those of you who love color, this is really the thing for you. Yeah. It really is. And butterflies, you know, it's one of our oldest stories is the butterflies we feel are fairies in disguise.
For sure. So
when you see butterflies around your home or when you're out somewhere, they're really fairies trying to be with you, trying to hang around with you. So we love butterflies. So we put butterflies in a lot of things. You'll see them in a lot of our pieces that don't even look like they should have a butterfly. All of a sudden you'll see a butterfly. That's a fairy in disguise. So it's one of our favorite symbols.
Are you seeing a lot of yellow butterflies around the yard? Is that the monarch?
Yes.
I'm seeing the yellow.
I have the most gorgeous picture I took yesterday. I want to put it up on Facebook. Wow. They're on those flowers that are out there, and it's a butterfly who's this big, and it's a monarch. I believe he's monarch. He's yellow with the black.
Yes, I think that is a monarch.
Gorgeous.
For sure.
Okay, so that's our butterfly, our rainbow butterfly. Now we have, this is one of your favorites also, girls, the Soul Sisters. These are the three angels, and of course it was originally, it was originally made of Elizabeth, Helen, and I, of course, in the old days, the three girls. So these are three angels. They can be anybody you want them to be. They can be friends, they can be sisters, they can be mothers, they can be aunties, grandmothers, or someone who's with you, someone who passed on, whatever. I mean, we have a lot of angel collectors out there, and they collect anything we make of angels. Now, I got to tell you, girls, an angel's face is not an easy thing to make. Either are the wings. So you'll see lots of angels out there in jewelry that just are kind of scary. They look like trolls. Their faces are just really scary. We don't do that. We don't do scary angels. We do really peaceful, beautiful protectors, guardian angels. So that's what this is. And there's three of them. And they're all painted differently, enameled differently. And they're carrying flowers, and they have their arms around each other, and they're skipping along. We've done these in the two angels together, and we've done them in the three angels together. And we have a lot of collectors out there who they might have a sister or a best friend or a mother who's passed on. And it just is a memory. It's a reminder.
Oh, and this is my little Dolly. What are you doing? She said, Mommy, what are you doing?
Look, Stella looks a little crazy. She had her summer haircut, which she's never had before.
She's so
So
silver.
all that beautiful
She's
long
so
hair is
silver.
gone. And since we're doing that, let me bring up her sissy. Her sissy.
Luna.
Our little crazy Luna. Oh, we love our girls, though. We love our girls. She said, Mommy, I don't know what you're doing, but I remember the days when you did this a lot, right? Well, we're back. Are you tired? Oh, I got kisses. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, you can sit down here while I finish up. Okay. Where am I?
Yeah.
On the
Oh,
girls.
and a
Yep.
beautiful chain.
Beautiful chain. Yep.
Yeah.
Beautiful chain. So these pieces come together, or sometimes you'll find them, this being sold separately and this being sold separately. Depends on what our authorized resellers would like to do. Sometimes they break them up because they realize you just want the enhancer. Sometimes they do both. So there, that's wonderful. And
You know,
now we have what?
Can I just say something?
Yep.
Talking about the authorized resellers.
Yep.
I can't tell you the number of customers who have emailed me and just raving about the people that we're
How
working
wonderful
with.
they
They're
are
just
to them.
so kind and helpful, and they work with you in any way they can. I mean, they really are wonderful
Yeah.
people. Really,
And
we're
you
very
have-
lucky. Very lucky.
You have to realize they have things that we never even had. I mean, we had them. We sold out of them. And our authorized resellers, they might have things from 2 or 3 years ago or 4 years ago. I had one gal call me and say, oh my gosh, I just found a box that I got a year ago. And things popped out of it that we'll never make again, and that end up being collector items, you know? So
Very
if you're
special.
looking for something, ask them. Don't be afraid to email them. Go right up on Facebook or go right up or call them up, you know, and or email them through Amazon or Facebook and ask them for what, if you're searching for something, they might have it. We probably wouldn't have had it, but they might have it. They hold on to things and they keep things for themselves. And sometimes you can talk them into giving it to you.
They also communicate to us. They also tell us what you're looking for, what we need to remake, what you know, the things that you really want. So yeah, we have a really good relationship there.
So these are the Magic Genie lamp earrings. We did them in gold and silver. I don't have the gold ones here because we had to ship all of them out of the door. But these are the silver ones, but they also come in gold. So a lot of you have the Genie bottle necklace. And even if you don't have the necklace, these are adorable.
Someone posted the little genie lamp. You know who you are, the little pave lamp pin. Do you remember
Oh
that
my
from
God.
100
You know how
years
old
ago?
that is?
Well, I was just thinking, wouldn't these earrings in the gold go beautifully with
Adorable.
that? So cute.
That Genie lamp we
was-
made for QVC in probably
Sabra Steele,
94
she has it.
or 95.
Oh, yes, at least way back. Way back. Way back.
That's right. That was one of the first
She
things
just
we
posted
did
that.
in the Genie collection. We did things over the years.
When you post those pictures, boy, it really brings us back.
It does.
Really does.
It's
And it
great.
sparks new ideas, too.
That's right. So post your pictures.
Yeah.
Talk to the resellers. Ask them what you want and let us know. Contact us on Facebook.
Oh,
Put your
definitely.
pictures up on Facebook and let us know what you want. You have been. We've been listening to you. We love hearing from you.
Do.
And we're going to say, till next time. Bye-bye.